When you see someone succeed, there's two roads you can take. You can either resent them, envy their success and feel like shit, or you can be happy for them and get inspired by their success. When I say it like this, it seems pretty obvious which road you should take, but most people still choose the wrong one. That's because they believe that if someone else gets something that they want, they will be less likely to get it, which is called having a scarcity mindset. But you can flip it on its head, and instead of being envious of someone who has something that you want, see it like a menu of which you can order from and create a vision for your life. Get inspired by seeing people succeed, because that means if they could do it, you can too. They're literally expanding your imagination of what's possible and helping you get inspired of what you can become. But most people still make the mistake of resenting successful people to make themselves feel better, because deep down they envy their success. But what they don't see is that by resenting people for having stuff that you want, you ensure that you'll never get it, because your mind can't tell the difference between resentment of others and resentment of yourself. This means that if you call someone evil for making a lot of money, you ensure that you will never make a lot of money, because your mind just doesn't want to be evil. On the other hand, if you're happy for someone who's making a lot of money, you're much more likely to make a lot of money yourself, because you see it as something positive. What I want you to realize is that life is not a zero-sum game. Just because someone succeeds doesn't mean that someone else has to suffer. On a deep level, this is because there are no others. We're all connected and can only be separated by mental constructs and labels. When you realize this, life becomes a collaboration instead of a competition. This concept also applies to me doing calisthenics. Whenever I see a super strong athlete doing skills that I'd want to do, I'm happy for them, because I know how much hard work and patience it took to achieve that. I also get inspired because I know that if someone could reach that level, it means that with enough hard work and patience, I can reach it too. So whenever you see someone succeed, be happy for them, because it means that you can do it as well. See their success as an inspiration and add it to the vision for your life. Be a creator, not a competitor.